Hey, what's up guys, my name is Pavinder from P&P Tutorials and you're watching the P&P Tutorials channel, and in this video we are going to talk about an electronic gadget called CrowPi. So CrowPi is basically made up of Raspberry Pi and some other electronic components like buzzer, actuator, LED matrix and Arduino as well. It means if you want to do some IoT stuff with your Raspberry Pi, then this is the thing made for you. So what CrowPi company has does is they have put the Raspberry Pi and some other electronic components as well as power supply together to form it like a laptop. It means you can carry your CrowPi anywhere you want and you can do the programming on Raspberry Pi with some IoT stuff as well. So let's just quickly unbox this. If you want to learn Wi-Fi hacking from scratch and if you are interested in learning about the Raspberry Pi, then you can buy the courses for just $10. Link is given in the description below. Alright guys, so this is the package that we are going to unbox. It is quite big and my camera is hardly able to capture it. Okay, so without further ado, let's just start. So this package has already been opened by Custom. It means Custom has already done the unboxing of this package. Alright guys, so here is something called yellow CrowPi. Let me just try to take this out. As you can see, this is all-in-one CrowPi kit. Here is the tagline, lead you go from zero to hero with the Raspberry Pi. So if you don't know anything about the Raspberry Pi, so this is the thing you can buy and practice all the things on Raspberry Pi. CrowPi actually comes in two versions. First one is the basic kit and second one is the advanced kit. The only difference between the basic version and the advanced version is advanced version actually comes with the mouse and keyboard, and with mouse and keyboard you will also be able to get some gaming consoles. So this particular package is basically the basic kit, and all the things that are coming in this package that we haven't opened yet. So these are some extra things that are coming in the advanced kit. Okay, I'll open up this later. Meanwhile, let me just open the real beauty right in front of you guys. Before I really open it, the cost of CrowPi basic kit is $240 and the cost of advanced kit is $330. It means in $90 you are getting keyboard, mouse as well as some gaming consoles as well. So this is actually the first thing that we get inside the CrowPi. This is the CrowPi manual. Here is the beauty that I wanted to see from months. This is actually the CrowPi right in front of you guys, and the color is yellow. And for your information, this CrowPi version comes in 4 colors. It is listed over the box. It comes in purple, yellow, blue and black, and I've got the yellow version of it. And these are the things that we are getting in the basic kit apart from just CrowPi. These are basically the earphones. Let me quickly open it up for you. Now here we have some other things. Here we have a motor that you can use with the Raspberry Pi. Here we have the servo. Apart from this, here we have the power adapter. This power adapter is 3 ampere and 5 volt. Apart from this, here we have the gaming console and another gaming console. And here we have some other basic things. A TFT to micro USB converter, RFID tag, and here we have a remote and also the touch pen for the screen. And that's it. That's all we have in the box. Alright guys, so here we have the main box of the CrowPi. Let me just quickly open this up, and this is basically looking like a suitcase. So if you want to keep all the things at one place, then this is actually the thing you should buy. Here you can see guys, this is basically the Raspberry Pi. Here we have the 7-inch touch screen, and over that we have a camera as well. Here we have the LED matrix, a small breadboard. This is basically the RFID sensor, and this is basically the ultrasonic sensor. Here we have the buzzer. So all the things that you do in the IoT, you will be able to find this inside this package. So this is how it looks like completely. The quality of the material that has been used in this CrowPi is really good. Let me quickly tell you the list of all the things that are coming in this CrowPi. This CrowPi actually comes with the power adapter, RFID card, touch pen, headphone jack, stepper motor, IR receiver, mini servo, TF card reader and 32 GB TF card, which comes with the preloaded image as well. And it also comes with the GPIO cable, HDMI connector, button cap, as well as some screws with the screwdriver. Not only that, you will also be able to get the IR controller, and in case of advanced kit, you will get 2 game controller, and with the game controller you will also be able to find Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. So these are all the things that you will get inside this CrowPi. Of course, I cannot tell you everything like what is coming in this CrowPi, and I cannot demonstrate you the performance of this CrowPi in this video itself, because if I will do it, then this video will be quite long. So if you want me to make a separate video on this CrowPi, then you can let me know in the comment section below. This was everything about the basic kit. Now let me tell you some more things that are actually coming in the advanced kit. Here is the box. Let me just take out some accessories that are present in this sealed package. Here we actually have a bag from Elacro. Alright guys, so this is the keyboard and mouse that we are getting with the CrowPi. Now the question comes, what are the projects that we can make with the CrowPi? First off, it can be used as a good pen testing PC. If you will install the Kali Linux into the Raspberry Pi, then you can use it as a pen testing PC as well. And not only that, it can also work as a personal PC, like you have the keyboard as well as mouse, and you have a 7-inch touch screen, a webcam right in front of you, and a CPU in the form of Raspberry Pi. So you can also use it as a personal PC as well. Of course, the things that are present in this kit are looking horrible, looking like a time bomb, but if you want to play with Raspberry Pi, if you want to master the IoT things, if you want to play with Arduino, then this is the kit for you guys. If I would ever wanted to learn about the IoT and things like that, then I will definitely buy it. Now you might be wondering that if I will buy it, then how will I be able to operate this, because I am not sure how to create my very first project on CrowPi. So for that guys, your life is going to be very easy, because CrowPi is offering tons of tutorials on their website. Like if you want to start with Python, and if you want to play with the actuator, sensor and ultrasonic sensor and things like that, then you can follow their particular series. I will leave the link of this series in the description below. Alright guys, so let me just quickly power up CrowPi. Here we go. After that you will have to press this power button. Alright guys, so this is the Raspbian OS that is installed by default. Here is giving some sort of warning. Talking about the touch response on this 7-inch touch screen, that is pretty much fine for me, I guess. And we have this camera, and here it is looking like when we are powering on CrowPi. You will find some status LEDs and things like that. And since you have got the heat sinks, so if you want to use your Raspberry Pi for long time, or if you want to do the programming on CrowPi, then you can of course do it, because you have the heat sinks, and heat sink will be able to reduce the heat by 20%. Okay, so that is pretty much everything about the CrowPi. If you want to buy this, then link to buy the CrowPi basic kit and the advanced kit is given in the description below. Thanks for watching this video guys. If you guys like this video, then give it a big thumbs up. If you want to watch the CrowPi tutorials, like how you can operate CrowPi, how you can make the best use of CrowPi, then link to all the tutorials and the support guide of CrowPi is given in the description below. So thanks for watching this video guys. I will see you in the next one.